my BCom engineer.
I'm Jahanvi.
Yeah.
I'm Varsha Vijay.
Okay.
My name is Kunal Sudha.
Yeah. We are from Inside BCom section.
Yes.
We are honored to have you. There are some questions we want to ask you. We would like to know about your educational and work experience.
I have done my MSc, MPhil, and currently I am doing my PhD in statistics from University of Pune. And I have done my postgraduate diploma, advanced diploma in computer applications and science. From Maharashtra government diploma. Okay. So that is the additional qualification I have aware of various languages like Java, C, and all, which we need actually.
What about your experience?
I have almost 15 years or 20 years experience in research field, in teaching. I was teaching in NDA. I have experience of in the research field from MSCS Research Institute, Gokhale Institute, and University of Pune. So that is almost more than 20 years experience.
As we know, you teach statistics in courses. Could you just tell us more about your job? More about your job.
In this, I have taught to various branches. I have taught to MCOM, to law, to BCS, to BCom, and
everything.
And see, what actually happens is that these subjects are taught by very less people. It's not so many teachers for statistics. So generally, whenever it is required, we need to work.
And you also teach junior college, right? 11, 12?
No, I don't teach junior college. I haven't taught them.
In your own words, how would you define an ideal job?
Ideal job is job which you enjoy. Which you are cozy, you are comfortable, and job satisfaction. Where you get a job satisfaction is the ideal job.
What major challenges have you encountered so far in your career?
Major challenges? Every day.
Specific one.
Which you remember?
Not very great. Once there was an incident that one paper was hacked. It was an internal test. It was internal test, and somehow the boy could get the paper from the machine. Okay, and we could not locate it. Who must have done it? So then I just gave one moral lecture. Boys, this is a question of hardly 10 marks. It was an internal exam. But it's a question of principle. After doing this, you are going to get hardly 10 marks more. But the image and the thing you have done in your lifetime is going to disturb you at all. That was the thing. 10 mark के लिए क्यों ऐसा किया? Something like that. But then that boy came to me. He literally cried and he told me that, ma'am, I have done this. I said, it's okay. I'm not going to harm you. I'm not going to I'm not going to take any major action against you. It's okay. It's nice that you have agreed, and in lifetime you are going to go in various industries as a programmer, and you will be trusted by your boss or authorities, and you have to maintain that trust in your lifetime. Overall, anywhere, in your family also. Trust is the most important thing you have to maintain, and that where the principle comes. So this was one incident I have experienced. The boy on his own came because there was no otherwise in the lab everybody has access to every machine. So,
And which year did this happen?
4-5 years back.
Oh, and There is
I know
no
the name
action.
of the boy, but I don't want to disclose that.
What do you like the best about this college?
Here is the freedom of teaching.
Yeah, that's really teachers are nice.
Yeah. We decide how to teach. We don't have those constraints. I mean, not from our authority, at least. We have the constraints of the students only, because how much they will digest, what they should learn, what they should. I mean, there are limitations of every class. So those are the only constraints. But we are very free to work, to teach. We have a freedom for doing research. Whatever time we get, we can utilize that for our benefit, like academic benefits.
Have you ever taught in other colleges?
As a guest lecturer or anything.
Not very recently.
If you get other opportunity in education sector or any other sectors other than teaching, would you take it?
Presently, at least, no.
You are happy with this?
Yeah, I am happy with this job. I enjoy this.
Salary
I like to
matters
teach, and the students, if they are grasping it very nicely, I really enjoy it.
Basically, you do this job because you love students
Yeah, definitely.
and not for any salaries and other stuff, right? No matter how the pay is, you love students.
I love teaching.
Okay. How do you maintain and discipline and friendly with your students?
Yeah, that I maintain.
How?
I mean, in the class, I generally do not talk anything other than the technical things. You can ask the students. I utilize my full time for teaching. So otherwise, if they come to me, I will definitely solve their problem. But I don't like, even if somebody is doing any mischief, I just neglect those things. Because I don't want to get disturbed when I am teaching. I do not want to disturb the students who are listening to me. So whenever I teach it very seriously. I mean, I utilize each and every moment in the class. I never talk anything, just time pass. I never do. I don't like that.
You're trying to say that you do.
That's
you
why when
teach,
I teach, I teach.
and outside the class, you
Outside the
friendly
class,
with
I'm
Friends. Do you prefer using technology in your class?
if required.
Yeah.
Okay. My question would be,
My discipline is such that I don't use LCDs and those things. I need to write a board at least 6 to 8 times because we solve problems. So problem solving is we need a board. It is not that it's math, so it's not LCD, and such things are not very much required.
what was your dream job when you were a kid?
I was interested in research, and I have worked in research for almost 10 years, and right now also I am doing my PhD along with my.
So you achieved your dream job.
I always had a dream of doing some research in my field.
When you were doing it.
Yeah.
You must be happy.
Yeah, actually the problem is I cannot give the proper justification to that work because of some other responsibilities. But then I always, I mean, this is at least the girl should have the instinct always. They should maintain the instinct of their dreams. Maybe in a later age, or maybe whenever you get a chance, one should pursue. It's not always that the situations are always favorable, but one has to
Have a dream.
catch the point.
What were your hobbies when you were a kid, and what are your hobbies now?
Music.
Music was always and still. You like classic music, classic old music?
Any sort of music.
Yeah. Modern music also.
Yeah, of course.
Which is your favorite song right now?
The new one,
Yeah,
Anyone.
any.
I have a great collection of.
You like to collect music. That's nice hobby.
I have almost 30 live programs of Jasraj and Hindustan.
You attend
those,
those? You attend the concerts?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you
That's a
attend
surprise.
I'm surprised. Yes, of course. When I was in my school age, I mean college, we used to attend the entire Savai for the entire night. And in the morning, we used to rush for our practicals. But then, and I like Shankar Mahadevan also. I like Shreya Ghoshal also.
Which instrument you are
Kolavar. I have heard.
Everyone knows that song right now.
Which instrument your favorite?
Instrument music?
Oh.
Do you play any? Know any or
Yeah.
No, I know classical. But then now
I'm guessing you are a
very much
singer.
away. Huh?
I'm guessing you are a singer. You sing.
I sing, but I sing for my own.
I'm not going to sing.
Everybody sings, right?
Yeah.
Every live human being sings.
How were you when you were a student?
How?
How were you when you were a student?
I was basically a sports person that time.
Which sport? Which sport?
In school, I used to play sports, softball, cricket, dodgeball. After
So you were into studies or
I was in studies.
that
But at
is
least 2 hours I was on the grounds. We had very less access to TV. So we were really fortunate that we did all other things. Breaks and this, sports and music. They're the only things available for us.
you were not naughty in school, in college or school, whatever?
Little.
Later. Is there any incident?
Oh no, don't ask me.
Come on, you have to tell us.
Not very great, but then because we were always on the grounds, sports, so it was those days were very lovely days. There was, of course, yes. I have still a group of our school friends. Still we meet.
That's a nice thing. I wish we could all have such life. Like we do.
Yeah, you should reunion.
Yeah.
Can call it.
Is there any advice you want to give us or the other students? Or there is anything you want to tell?
Advice? No.
Any questions for us? You want to ask us? Nothing? No advice? Some like last quote. You want to say?
When you feel you are very. Okay. Whatever you do it with full heart. Whatever. Full heart.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you.
I'm so glad.